Hello, sweet love, and welcome. I invite you to find a comfortable position if you haven't done so yet, and to softly start tapping on the side of your hand. And whenever you're ready, take a couple of deep breaths in and out here. In through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Perhaps you want to check in with how intense your headache or migraine feels right now. 10 would be extremely unbearable, not able to do anything, and 0 being no tension at all. What would you rate it right now? Please know that you can always change any words I say if there's something that resonates more with you. Otherwise, you can repeat me out loud or silently. And if it feels good for you, you can softly close your eyes, otherwise simply keeping a soft gazing point in front of you. Continuing to tap on the side of your hand. Even though I experience this headache right now, I am open to feeling more calm and at ease. Even though I experience this headache right now, I am open to feeling more calm and at ease. Even though I experience this headache right now, I am open to feeling more calm and at ease. Now gently tapping on the top of your head, this headache. Eyebrow point, this headache. Side of your eyes, this pain in my head. Under your eyes, this pounding pain in my head. Under your nose, it's so frustrating. Under the mouth, it feels hard to handle. Just below your collarbones, this pain in my head. Under your armpit, and filling in the blank at the end of this sentence. This pain, it feels like. And back to the top of your head again. This pain, it feels like. Eyebrow point, and again filling in the blank. And that makes me feel. Side of the eyes. Again, it makes me feel. Under your eyes, I'm observing how it makes me feel. Under your nose, I'm observing how this headache feels. Under your mouth, this headache. Just below the collarbones, this pain in my head. Under your armpit, this pounding pain in my head. Back to the top of your head again. And if this pain could speak. Eyebrow point. What is it trying to tell me? Side of the eyes, filling in the blank. This pain is trying to tell me. Under the eyes, perhaps something wants to be released. Under your nose, maybe this pain wants to be seen and released. Under your mouth, I'm ready to release this pain. I'm ready to release this headache, this migraine. Just below your collarbones. I'm ready to release the fear of this pain. Under your armpit. How can I support myself in this release? Then gently tapping on the top of your hand between your ring and pinky finger. What do I need right now? Take a few deep breaths here and an invitation to state 3 things that you can do or can give yourself in support of releasing this pain. Perhaps that's resting, maybe it's aromatherapy or sitting in nature. Whatever it is, allowing yourself to say it out loud like a mantra, filling in the blank, I can. Now gently stop tapping, allowing your hands to rest on your heart. Perhaps allowing a soft smile to come to your face. Letting this feeling of ease and possibilities wash over you. Coming back to that number we started with. How intense is your headache or migraine right now? 0 being no tension at all, and 10 being unbearable. I truly hope that the number has gone down, even just a little, and please know that you can do this video a few more times to lower the number even more if you need it. You can also check out our headache or migraine meditation or yoga video. It would mean the absolute world to us if you would take just a second to like and let us know how this EFT felt for you. We love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video, please share it with a loved one or on your social media and subscribe to our channel. It really means a lot to us. I wish you a peaceful rest of your day. And may every day become a chance to ritualize your life. Tap with you soon. Bye bye.